Listen to me very carefully. If you want to command wealth on an institutional holding company level, you must step completely outside of consumer retail and dominate primary, heavy industrial infrastructure. Steel is the absolute, non-negotiable foundation of global construction, civil engineering, and urban development. Every skyscraper, bridge, highway, and industrial complex built on Earth requires thousands of tons of high-strength structural reinforcement steel. The enterprises that control the heavy, high-volume automated rolling mills capable of converting raw billets into finished structural rebar hold absolute leverage over the regional construction supply network. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on a massive, heavy industrial Tier 3 apex infrastructure asset. This is the complete, turnkey 15 to 20 tons per hour steel bar and rebar hot rolling mill production complex by Hengxiu Metallurgy. We have completely bypassed the heavily marked up Western engineering brokers to align your enterprise directly with the primary factory floor source of global heavy machinery supply. Let us break down the massive thermodynamic engineering and automated mechanical stress processing modules driving this industrial giant. This entire facility is a heavy-duty metallurgy matrix engineered to run flawlessly across intense, continuous 24-hour manufacturing cycles under extreme conditions. The production architecture initiates at the automated billet reheating furnace, where raw steel blocks are heated to precise metallurgical rolling temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius. The white-hot billets are extracted automatically via heavy-duty roller tables and rammed directly into the continuous roughing, intermediate, and high-speed finishing rolling mill stands. These massive systems utilize specialized high-alloy forged steel rollers driven by multi-megawatt electric motors to compress, stretch, and form the raw steel into high-precision round bars, rebars, or iron rods at extreme velocities with absolute zero mechanical margin of error. Look at the computerized cooling, automated shearing, and digital quality verification layers of this apex asset. As the finished rebar emerges from the high-speed finishing mill blocks, it passes directly through automated water-quenching systems to induce critical high-strength mechanical properties, before transitioning onto massive, automated walking beam cooling beds. The cooled steel is automatically routed to high-capacity cold flying shears that slice the bars into precise commercial lengths down to millimeter tolerances. The entire metallurgical ecosystem is governed by an advanced centralized PLC digital control architecture integrated with real-time hydraulic monitoring, automated tracking, and high-resolution infrared thermal imaging sensors. This absolute automation logs every single metric, slashes human labor costs to absolute pennies, and guarantees flawless structural consistency across thousands of tons of daily output. Stop playing around with small-scale, fragile business models with paper-thin margins. If you want to establish an untouchable industrial footprint and command a true legacy, you step directly into primary heavy metallurgy and control the foundational building blocks of the built environment. We have locked in primary direct factory floor pricing for this complete heavy-duty steel rolling mill complex, completely protecting your setup capital from predatory broker markups. Access our independent technical audit, download the industrial plant blueprints, and secure your direct procurement manual right now by clicking the link below. Dominate primary industrial infrastructure and build your manufacturing empire today.